Yung buhay na meron tayo ngayon, nakadepende sa standards natin. Since alam na natin saan galing. Pwedeng ang paniniwala mo, I don't deserve it. Pwedeng ang paniniwala mo, I can't. Or pwedeng I don't have time. Or pwedeng I am not good enough. Or pwedeng I am unworthy. Or maybe because of guilt, I'm bad. Parang ang sama-sama mong tao. Especially if you are in a negative community. Pag nakagawa ka ng mali, lalo ka nilang ida-down. Lalo ka nilang ilalaglag. If this will continue to happen, kung paulit-ulit kang babalik sa paniniwalang ito, if you keep telling yourself that you can't, that you're not good enough, that you're a bad person, that you don't have time, you don't have the money, you don't have the skills, you don't have whatever it takes, whatever you keep telling yourself will become the standards. Okay? So this will still be based on your patterns. And in self-mastery, we call it the pattern of language. Kung ano yung paulit-ulit mong sinasabi sa sarili mo na lengguwahe, yan ang magbibigay sa'yo ng dalawang bagay. Beliefs and meaning. So ano yung dapat natin gawin? Again, you have to set a new standard.